In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set tax rate in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your account, how to choose the correct tax, enter the right percentage, and save it so it applies to your future transactions. This process is helpful when you need a custom rate or you're updating a rate due to regulatory changes. Make sure you're signed in with access to organization settings so you can make tax changes. First, click on Tax. You'll find this from the main navigation in Xero. This takes you to the area where all your tax options live, including standard rates that come with your region and any custom rates you've set up previously. Think of this as your home base for tax controls in Xero. Next, click on Tax Settings. This opens the configuration page where you can review how your taxes are organized and make adjustments. If you manage multiple rates for sales and purchases, this is where you ensure each rate is clearly labeled and set up to behave correctly on invoices and bills. Now, click on Manual Tax Rates. Manual rates are the ones you control directly, which is ideal for special industry rates, local surcharges, or temporary changes. You'll see a list of available manual rates here. If your organization relies on a naming convention, take a second to verify the rate names so you apply changes to the right one. Select your tax. Choose the specific tax rate you want to set or update. If you're unsure whether it should apply to sales, purchases, or both, check the rate's description and confirm how your business uses it. Keeping rate names and purposes consistent will help your team pick the correct option on transactions later. Then, enter the tax amount. Type the rate as a percentage number without the percent symbol. For example, enter 10 for 10% or 7.5 for 7.5%. Double check the decimal placement before you continue. Small typos here can have big downstream effects. If you're changing from an old rate to a new one, remember that adjustments typically apply to new transactions going forward, not to ones already approved. Finally, click on Save. Xero will apply your update and return you to the tax list. Take a moment to confirm the rate appears exactly as intended. Clear naming, accurate percentages, and consistent usage rules will make your invoicing and reporting smoother. If you work with an accountant or bookkeeper, it's a good idea to let them know about any changes so your filings stay aligned. That's it. Your tax rate in Xero is now set and ready to use.